Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the link and a signed-in Google account. Now open that link in a desktop browser. You do this because desktop URLs expose the class identifier more clearly. Once the page loads, pause before clicking anything else. Make sure you are using the correct account if prompted. Switching accounts changes the URL. If you see a classroom landing page, leave it open and move to the address bar. The code you need is usually embedded in the URL path or query string. You now examine the address bar to extract the code. The class identifier often appears after /c/ or as a parameter labeled code, class code, or invite. Copy the alphanumeric chunk up to the next slash or question mark. If the URL includes extra tracking parameters, ignore them and only select the core string. Once copied, paste it into a plain text editor to confirm no spaces or punctuation were added. This ensures the code is exactly what Classroom expects when you join. You paste the extracted code into Google Classroom's Join Class box and press Join. If it accepts, you're done. If not, verify you use the same account that opened the link because codes can be account restricted. Once done, make sure there are no extra characters in the pasted code. If you still can't join, clear your browser cache and retry, or ask the teacher to resend or regenerate the code. They may have disabled it or set enrollment controls that require a fresh invitation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.